Accenture Technology Vision for 2018 is about extended reality. How does Accenture define that term?
Extended reality is about virtual reality and augmented reality coming together to change the way that people experience information, places, and each other. So I think we know what virtual reality is, where you wear a headset and you can see certain things. Augmented reality is a new technology where people use things like smart glasses to be able to project information onto physical items. So we have a combination of physical and digital. Taking these two things together can really fundamentally change the way that people work.
But how much interest do insurers have in virtual and augmented reality technologies?
Our tech survey has really shown this to be at high interest. 84% of the insurance executives that we talk to want to apply these technologies. Why? Because it really closes the element of distance. It brings things to the people that need to do them so they can apply their expertise.
What are some of the use cases for VR in insurance?
Virtual reality has gotten a lot of interest in and around training. So think about it in a traditional world. If somebody's learning how to adjust a claim of a car repair, they need to go to a garage, look at a car that's broken, assess the damage, and go forward from there. In virtual reality, they can put on a headset, and you can actually change the cases that they're working on so that they learn more. So if I'm repairing the new Tesla, it's different than repairing the Toyota. I can load those cases into a virtual reality environment where I can continually build those skills. It's faster, it's cheaper, and it's a lot more effective.
What about AR?
Augmented reality is more about helping people do a specific job. So for example, in Zurich Insurance, it really works with their field inspectors and their engineers. So think of the people that are up on the ladders at these very complex construction sites or working with machinery. They don't have time to wear a bulky headset and things like that, but they're wearing smart glasses where they can actually look at the environment around them. They're fully connected, and the data is projected on the knob that they need to turn or the item that they need to inspect. So it's really in the process of doing their job, they're able to have that access to the data at their fingertips to help them be more effective.
That's amazing. So how do insurers get started with extended reality?
Well, quite frankly, the technology is still evolving. So I think it really becomes a function of finding the right use case that can generate the value. So in virtual reality, again, we would point more towards skilling the worker in certain cases using the virtual reality. And the second thing is being smart about the rollout, if you will, picking a spot where I can start small and then scale fast. So augmented reality, the reason why people would go to the more complex application is because if you do something wrong in a field inspection, it has massive financial implications for the customer and for the company. So again, pick your spots, scale it, and then go from there.